Hey there, productivity warriors! Welcome to this video, where we help you conquer life's challenges with ingenious tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for future content. In today's video, we're unlocking the power of Notion for those of us with ADHD. We'll create a personalized planner that's flexible, visually engaging, and tailored to boost focus and productivity. Ready to transform the way you plan and achieve your goals? Let's jump right in and supercharge your ADHD personal planner with Notion. The personal schedule is designed to help you stay organized and on top of your life. You can schedule multiple plans from a single database, the schedule system, which you'll find here. You'll also find subpages to organize your life in different ways, including daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly planners. To access the planners, simply navigate from the daily planner to the weekly planner, monthly planner, quarterly planner, and yearly planner. On the home section, you'll find plans for the day and for the week at the top of your dashboard. You can also organize your plans by categories, which you'll find just below the daily plans section. This makes it easy to keep track of different types of tasks and events, allowing you to manage your time more effectively. To create a plan for today, start by going to the calendar overview and clicking on the plus button that appears at the top left of the corresponding date. Give your plan a name and the date will be automatically updated based on where you create the plan from in the calendar view. Click on the reminder property to set a reminder for your plan. This will notify you to ensure that you don't forget about it. If your plan is an appointment, you can also add the time. If you're unable to schedule your plan right now, you can clear the date. Choose a category from the existing list, or create a new one by writing your own. You can also add one or more tags to describe your plan and make it easier to find later. Since we cleared the date for your new plan, it will appear in the In Scheduled Plans section. This section contains all your in-scheduled plans. To schedule one or more of these plans, simply drag them from the list view to the calendar view on the desired date. Once scheduled, you'll find the plan on both the calendar view and the calendar list view. You'll also find the plan in your time blocking database, which we will discuss in more detail later. Let's go back to the monthly planner. Here, you'll find a view of your personal planner that displays all your plans for the month. You can also navigate to the plans for the week and day in their respective subpages. In addition to your plans, you can also add monthly notes and ideas by clicking here. The date will be updated automatically. To archive an old plan, simply drag it from its current position to the corresponding archive page. This helps keep your monthly planner organized and makes it easy to find old plans if you need them later. Time blocking is a productivity technique that involves scheduling your time in advance and dedicating specific blocks of time to specific tasks or activities. A time blocking template is a pre-designed format or layout that helps you plan out your day or week using this technique. You will find it on your dashboard, or you can also get access to it at the bottom of this page. The weekly time blocking feature works with 7 columns for each day of the week. To add a new block for a day, simply click on the New button at the bottom of the corresponding column. Once you open the new block in the center peak, you'll have access to 21 pre-configured templates to choose from. To start, let's create a morning routine block. Click on the corresponding template and customize your morning routine time. Add the habits you want to track on your time blocking dashboard and archive them easily. To differentiate your archived blocks from the active ones, be sure to include the current month in the title. In the Mood Tracker section, you can easily track your daily moods. To add a new entry, simply click on the New button in the Mood Tracker database. From there, you can select your mood of the day from 10 different options. After selecting your mood, you can write a brief description of your day or any relevant information you want to include. The date will be automatically recorded and will appear in your dashboard. Let's start by taking a look at the Weekly Habits Tracker. Here, your habits are organized by theme, with 12 different themes to choose from. However, you can remove or create additional themes based on your lifestyle. Before creating a new page, remember to click on the blue arrow at the top right of the database and set the existing template page as default by selecting the 3 dots next to it. To create a new page, simply click on the New button, and the page content will be updated automatically. Rename the page as you wish and choose a cover by bringing up the property menu. You can also add an image by uploading a file from your computer or pasting a web link image. Once you have selected the right cover to illustrate your new theme, you can start adding your habits to the corresponding space. To add a new habit tracker week, simply click on the Add a New Habit Tracker Week button. You can rename it by the week number to distinguish it from your archive page. To move an old table to an archive page, go to the 6 dots at the top left of your database and drag it to the corresponding page based on the year and quarter. The Daily Goals Tracker below works exactly the same as the Weekly Habits Tracker, with the exception that there is no archive page. The days will come and go depending on your habits. Before you create a new line, remember to set the existing template as default. To create a new line, simply click on the New button, and the date of the day will automatically appear as the name. The Habits Tracker page also features 3 sections to help you track your ADHD symptoms on a daily basis. Each section is designed for monthly tracking, with each column representing a day and each row representing a specific symptom. When you're finished tracking for the month, make sure to write the current month before archiving the tracker table. You can easily move the table to the appropriate archive page by dragging it from its current location. In the Bullet Journal section, you can easily document your daily life by creating a new journal page with just one click on the New button in the Bullet Journal database. You can name the new page as you like and add a date or leave this property blank. There are 9 different templates available in the database, corresponding to the 9 areas of your bullet journal. Select the template that best describes your new page, and the type property will automatically be updated accordingly. You can also add some tags to describe your journal page. Now you can personalize the content of your new page to suit your needs.